Hi, welcome to Agaamin Idea Corner. This is where we discuss an interesting business idea with Handshake. So today I want to talk about something I came across in 2010, and I thought it was a pretty cool idea. It was an app called Citer, and their website was citer.com, Siter. So if you look it up now, it's not going to be there. 2010, probably even before Bitcoin was created. The idea was pretty cool. It was to basically use a very specific kind of records that allows phone numbers to be mapped as DNS records and have people call domain names. So would have been pretty useful. It may not have been very useful at an individual level, but it could have been useful for companies where, say, you could say call just mybank.com and that would just connect you to that bank. And so if you want to call a branch, then it could be, say, newyork.mybank.com. So you would end up calling the New York branch of that bank. But of course, too ahead of its time. When I read the article, even back then, I thought, is it doable? I had questions. And clearly it wasn't. But it just came back to me the other day when I was just thinking about it, and I realized now that Handshake is here. Suddenly, it's doable. Given the fact that Handshake has all top entities reserved, and it is likely that those entities are going to get their names. New entities can get their names. Individuals will have user IDs as smart names. They'll be in all languages. They'll even be in emojis. You would basically be able to call your phone book. And when I say phone book, you don't actually have to go to the phones. Your names will be mapped to your phone numbers via DNS. And while it may not make a very big difference in case of individuals, this could make a lot of difference in case of entities, because we don't have usually those entities saved in our phone book, and we look it up. We tend to look up companies and their offices and their branch and field offices. And an app that allows you to just call straight up, say, uh, I live in a place called Sispal Vihar in a city called Gurgaon. And say if I were to have an account with a bank called HDFC, so I could just call sispal.gurgaon.hdfc, and I could end up dialing the Sispal branch of HDFC, which is located in Gurgaon, and so on and so forth. And if I were to call just Gurgaon.hdfc, then it would go to the head office in Gurgaon. And if I were to just call HDFC, it would go to the India head office. So you can have hierarchy via subdomains. So I don't know how good a business idea it might be, or it might actually be. It depends on how it is used and how creatively it is packaged. But it's definitely a business idea. A calling app where you don't have phone numbers and you just have the names, and you can just reach out to people. So that's just idea number one. And we'll be back soon with another idea. Till then, ciao.